Today I want to do a 3-point eyebrow trick for you to have the perfect eyebrow. I don't do eyebrows, but now I am obsessed with this 3-point eyebrow, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to show this. Look at these eyebrows. Do you see this one? Do you see it? Okay, so this is a 3-point eyebrow, and this is my eye before, after, and before. Do you see the difference? So I'm going to show you because I thought this was so cool and so pretty. Friends, 3 points, and I'm going to show you right now. So let's get to first. I'm going to use this pencil and the brush because this is what I really liked, and the pencil is wonderful. Look at that, it's an elf. It works wonders. So I got my mirror here, and so 3 points would be 1. So you make a point here, and you're going to start right over here. 2. This is going to be your height. Another point. You see? Do you see what I mean? You make a dot here. 3rd is where you're going to end your eyebrows. And it's here. So now we're going to fill it in. I will only go like featherly, not too much. But since I am obsessed with this 3-point, I am exaggerating just a little bit. And this is what I'm going to do. And I think this is so I finish. So I got to the higher point. There is a beginning, a middle, and an end. So this is the beginning of my eyebrows. Do you see the difference? The middle, you get your little brush like that. You comb it, and I'm going to do more. I'm going to go up more. More. Brush. This is my high point where my pupil. And you're down. And then I'm going down. So that's it. 1, 2, 3 points, and you are done, and you are gorgeous, and I hope you have a wonderful day.